Rangbah na shnong Mukroh ryngkat nongialam jong Khasi Students Union kila up lehnohei dngong khmat ko ophis jong Myntri Rangbah Conrad ke Sangma da ke Jingthmu ban Iakynduh yu halor kiba iadei ba Jingthmu jong sorkar Assam ban pynheh ek police outpost ha Mukroh Kumjuh ru ban kyrpad yu Myntri Rangbah ban pynkhlain kila jingiada paidbah kane thain hadin chikenta palat bekila up dngong la pentep yaki ba Myntri Rangbah shim lawan shu sha office namar baula de chamaran yering have fire brigade ban pedyang dukhot eka kong amprin lingdo ke MLA East Shillong lehnohei bat yuba Mohendro rapsang MLA ke West Shillong Mawkroh ki balarung ha ka seng NPP ha ka ni kasngi ka khat khandai trik nokpra ke jingwan jong Rangbah na Mukroh kala Pulom khamakha ha ka ni kasngi
news that he is not feeling well, so we hope that he will recover soon. And the reason that we came here along with the leaders from Mukroh is that as we can understand that on the fateful day of the 22nd of November, five unarmed villagers were gunned down by the Assam police and the forest officials of Assam. And the main reason that incident happened is because of the presence of the office of the beat officer of the Forest Department of Assam. It is there that those officials are there that they will detain any vehicles coming from Meghalaya, any person coming from Meghalaya. And there are reports also that people who go to the fields and who went to the forest to collect forest produce, they are being detained, they are being extorted. If they don't pay up, then they cannot return to their villages. So what had happened is that after the firing incident in the 20th of November of this year, we have observed that they have dismantled the public from Meghalaya side has dismantled this beat office. But then when we visited a few days back to Mukroh in the presence of the villagers, we observed that they have reconstructed that beat office, and this even more better than the last one, well furnished, and there are many officials out there. For the information of the public and the government, the beat office is present inside the territory of Mukroh village. It is well known in any Khasi village that if you want to do anything, if I want to construct a private residence of my own also, I will have to first seek permission from the village Durbar. But that is not the case with regards to Assam. What they are doing is that they just enter illegally, construct that beat office, and now they have posted a lot of officers out there. To get a clearer picture and understanding is that the Meghalaya police are present near the residential area. But villagers, they do not work in the residential area. They will have to go to the jungle, they will have to go to their fields. And in between the residential area and the fields within the village of Mukroh, the Assam police personnel are there and the beat forest officials are there. So the objective of coming here is to appeal to the CM to persuade his Assam counterpart to immediately remove that beat office of the Forest Department of Assam so as to remove any apprehension.